How to make a shaker. Okay, this is gonna go fast. So I'll let you read on your own. The first thing I'm gonna do is take my paper towel roll and I'm gonna trace 2 circles using my paper towel roll on a separate piece of cardboard using a black permanent marker. Now I get to cut one of those little circles out. I'm going to take my paper towel roll, put the circle on top of it, and make sure I got it just fitting right. And let me get some tape, and I'm going to tape that little cardboard circle to the top. Reason is, we're gonna pour rice into this paper towel roll, so we don't want any of it to spill out, and we don't want the rice to stick to tape, so we need a little bottom piece. And in no time at all, I'm gonna get it on there. Just like so. Okay, now it's time for me to measure out 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna use this little device to dump the rice into, and yay, it made it. Now I get to cut out my second little circle, and I'll put it on top, make sure it fits just right. Doesn't have to be perfect, and I now tape that piece to it. Make sure I got the whole circle on with no sides exposed. I want to make sure the tape is all around it, nice and secure. There we go. It's a shaker. Now I'm using some blue painter's tape because I'm going to paint on my paper towel roll to make it look cool. And I'm gonna take the painter's tape and put it around both sides. You can paint over painter's tape. Now it's time to paint. I have some paintbrushes and some color. I'm going to start with red. And here I go. You can use any colors you want. And you don't have to use paint. You can use color pencils, markers, even crayons. I just use paint because that's what I have. I'm going to go an extra step and put more painter's tape around the paper towel roll, which you don't have to do, but I am.